you confused on how to use the essential oils just sitting on your shelves? This recipe will help you use essential oils on the daily. Let's make this luxurious body polish so that you can have soft, luxurious skin after all the holiday craziness. Because with this recipe, you'll go from dry, boring skin to soft and silky skin in no time. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist at Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So turn off all those distractions because making is healing, so let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make this recipe. Grab your Simply Earth January recipe box and get out everything you're gonna need for the recipe. And you'll also need your big bonus box. From your recipe box, you'll grab your emulsifying wax, your lavender essential oil. From your big bonus box, you'll grab your almond oil. And then from your kitchen, you're gonna grab 3 tablespoons of sugar. You'll also wanna get a cute little container. Hint, hint, you can get these from the Simply Earth website. All right, the first step says you're gonna use 4 teaspoons of your wax, as well as 1/4 of a cup of almond oil. You're gonna melt those in a double boiler or in the microwave, and I will be back when I have done this step. So I'm adding my 4 teaspoons of emulsifying wax. Next, I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup of almond oil. All right, I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for 15-second intervals, making sure that the wax is melted, but that it's not super hot. All right, now that this is melted to about 135 degrees, I'm gonna add in the essential oils. You'll wanna make sure it's at that temperature so that the essential oils don't evaporate out. I'm gonna add in 60 drops of lavender essential oil. Now that I've added my essential oil into the melted portion of this recipe, I'm gonna stir it so that the essential oils are evenly incorporated. Then I'm gonna add this to my sugar. All right, now I'm gonna add in my sugar. I'm gonna stir this super, super well. All right, it is stirred up perfectly. Now I'm gonna add it to my cute little container. All right, now that the label's on, I can test it out and it should be ready to go. You can make this too. I love to see all your creations. Go ahead and tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that I can see all those fun recipes. You'll love using essential oils with confidence and clarity. The Simply Earth recipe box makes making natural recipes super easy, so go and get yours today.